Greetings. With Labor Day approaching, the stress of the summer to the turf is slowly dissipating. Soon, views like this will be more the norm. However, as nice as this looks for the green department, June and July of 2013 will not easily be forgotten. Heavy rains in June, followed by stifling heat and humidity in July, left us begging for cloud cover. At times, we felt like we were down for the count. Unfortunately, so did our turf. But unlike Sonny Liston, we have gotten back up, dusted ourselves off, and have been proactive in turf recovery. In the past few weeks, we have aerified problem greens, aerified and seeded tees, and aerified and seeded fairway expansions. Along with the aerification process, we have installed drainage to problem areas on the first and second fairways. We will be starting the drainage on the 10th fairway next week. The large amount of precipitation in June produced a bumper crop of weeds due to our pre-emergent herbicides leaching out of the soil. This has been particularly problematic in our expansion areas, where chemical removal has not been an option due to seedling sensitivity. Going forward, we will be aerifying all of the greens the Tuesday and Wednesday following Labor Day. Please mark this on your calendars. Our rough, in many areas, no pun intended, is, well, rough. This photo shows the greens bank on number 7 in late July. Not pretty. This is due to the large population of poania and bentgrass. These species are extremely poor performers at rough height. There are, however, some dark green areas of turf. These are areas that were seeded after a tree was removed this spring. These areas were seeded with turf-type tall fescue, which is the same grass that was seeded last year in the 4th rough when that fairway was repositioned. If you notice, the dark green tall fescue is relatively healthy, while the bent poa mix next to it has issues. We will be targeting areas for rough renovation in the coming weeks using a tall fescue Kentucky blue mix in hopes of improving both the aesthetics and the playability of the rough. We would like to remind you to please repair or fill your divots. A good rule of thumb is if it looks like a beaver pelt, replace it. If it looks like a bologna skin, use the mix. Please do not use the mix in the rough. This is for tees and fairways only. If you put it in the rough, it only contaminates it. Also, please don't do what this guy did. The 17th fairway, or any other fairway for that matter, is not a practice facility. Lastly, please watch where you're driving your cart. This damage was caused on the 2nd fairway where someone drove right between 2 cart signs. This damage definitely could have been avoidable. We have recently painted white lines in the fairways to designate where carts need to exit. Please observe these lines for the sake of your golf course. Remember, don't cross the line. Go ahead.
Don't cross the lines.
Don't cross that line.
Don't cross the line.
One more time.
Don't cross the line.
Don't cross the line.
Yes.
Don't cross the line.
2, 3.
Don't cross the line.
Keep his tail wagging and don't cross the line.